Hi, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 websites that are going to pay you between $35 to $1,000 per article. And these are articles that you can write with ChatGPT. Now, a lot of us have been talking about ChatGPT, but I'm going to be showing you how to use the same ChatGPT to make $1,000 per article that you're going to be writing using ChatGPT. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. So number 1 on the list is psychologyjunkie.com/write for us. And this platform pays 40 USD and they use PayPal. They pay you via PayPal. I wouldn't be wasting much of your time explaining everything because everything is already here, but I want to show you where you're going to be submitting so that you don't make mistakes and submit it to another place and then you don't get any response. So please share your full articles as a Google document with submissions at psychologyjunkie.com. And that brings us to the next platform, and that is no other than YR.media. And if you go to yr.media/YR Media Community, you're going to get the full information of how you're going to submit your pitch, what they want to see, and everything. They did not state how much they are paying here, but from an insider told me that they pay anywhere around $150 for one article. So please just go ahead and pitch to them and submit your articles and get paid, of course. So that brings us to the third platform, which is motivationmagazine.com/section/write for us. So once you come here, make sure that you go through all the information on the platform so that you know all the things that they require you to meet before they can approve your article. But first, one thing I want to show you guys here is how much they pay. So we currently pay, as you can see here, we currently pay $100 to $150 for features and one-on-one interviews. For shorter articles and book reviews, we pay $40 to $65. So yes, not only is your work published on an online digital quarterly magazine website, but you also get paid for it. If this excites you, we are looking for writers to collaborate to Motivation Magazine. And then the next platform I'm going to share with you is theabilitytoolbox.com. So once you come to this platform, just click on Write for Us. Click here and you see the information on how you can start writing for them and get paid for doing so. And the Ability Toolbox pays between $50 to $150 per article for original content never published anywhere. So please don't copy it out to paper. Don't go and copy article from somewhere else and then send to them. No, never published anywhere. They're going to check for plagiarism and make sure that everything checks out so that it doesn't hurt their blog. And that is it for this platform. Just go through the platform. Let's not waste too much time analyzing it. It's something that you can do on your own spare time, so that we can jump to another platform, which is folks.peelpack.com. So once you come to this platform, you click on About. So when you come to About, you come here, you see is folks accepting pitches from new writers? You can see the answer here, yes, always yes. Read our most up-to-date writers guidelines. So you click on writers guideline, and here you can find all the information that you need on how to start submitting your articles and essays to folks. And then if you scroll down to the money part, how much do you pay and what rights do you retain? Folks is proud to pay competitive rates to all our writers. We pay up to $400 for essays, $600 for reported profile, 1 main subject, and $1,000 for reported features, 3+ main subjects. For all stories, we buy a 1-year publishing exclusive, after which you can publish the piece elsewhere. So let's jump to the next platform that I have for you, and that is recoveryofme.com. Okay, recoveryofme.com/write for us paid opportunities. Why I'm putting these links for you, why I'm mentioning this link, the full link for you, is that most of these links are masked. They don't want people to easily find, have access to it. So that is why I'm directing you particularly to this page, because if you just go to their homepage, if you land on their homepage, it will be difficult for you to find this page. So if you come here, you can read all the details that you need to know about this platform, Recovery of Me. So you see what we publish articles that are at least 500 words long. Most of our articles are between 1,500 and 2,000 words long. So here is what we pay. We pay for articles that are submitted and accepted for publication. Our rates are as follows: 500 words, you're getting £25, which is $35. 1,000 words is £40, which is $55. 2,000 words is £80, which is 110 USD. And then that brings us to the next platform that I have to share with you guys, and it's self.com/story/how to pitch a story to self. Now, this is the information here on this platform. Go through the information so that you can learn everything you need to know about submitting your articles to self. So here is their rates. They pay $300 for a story with minimal to no reporting and increase from there. Reported service stories start at $400. Features start at $800. I'm talking about getting paid. Here is a video that YouTube thinks you should watch next so that you can learn more ways to make money online.